Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Dragon Ball Sparking Zero on Android and if it is possible. Okay, so I'm on my Android device. I've headed over to my Play Store. I've searched for Dragon Ball Sparking Zero and nothing has come up on my search here. So the creator of the game, Bandai Namco, has not released or announced any official mobile or Android version. So if you see other videos, YouTube videos offering APK downloads for Android, just be very careful with them. Those are not official and could be unsafe, so they might contain viruses, malware, and scams. So I advise on not downloading those APKs. Now, the only legit way to play Dragon Ball Z Sparking Zero will be buying it from the PS5 or Xbox Series XS when it releases, or download it via Steam for PC. Now, if you do want Dragon Ball Z games on your Android, you can try searching for Dragon Ball Legends. You can go ahead and download and play that. And also there is Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. So you can download and play that. So yeah, at this point in time, you cannot play this on your device.